Hello guys, Kobe Shots here. Today, being the 7th of March, marks our nation's independence here in Ghana. Currently, we are here at the train station in Adum, and the theme for this particular shoot is kind of conceptual, and we are having apparels of Islamic descent. Okay, and over there is my model getting herself ready. That's Jamila. All right, and if you look behind me, this is what I'm choosing as my background. Okay, we have these climbing plants, with leaves in there. So seeing the green in there caught my attention, and I decided to use this and get my model in the shot to stand out with what she's wearing. So the colors were actually decided on to bring her out of the background so that she can stand out. And we are going to also add some lighting to it. We first of all start with natural light, then we proceed to using a simple flash and a softbox from Godox, the 90 centimeters actually. We will go ahead to take some shots with it and see how best we can come up with a lot and also make good use of our background over here. So it's always great to have an assistant, and with me here is Solomon. Yeah, and over here we have a Godox 90 centimeters circumference octabox, and in here for the lighting we have the Yongnuo YN560 Mark IV and some Yongnuo triggers as well. So we are going to light up. First of all, we will look at the background and expose for the background. Then when we bring the light, we can adjust to get the precise illumination or the precise exposure that we will need the light to give. Okay, welcome back guys. It has been a very long shoot, but I don't think she's exhausted enough. You can still take some more, can we? Okay, just kidding. Thank you very much for staying back there and watching this tutorial. I hope that you learned a lot. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It's going to really help this channel very much for the upcoming videos. And I know that the next one will make it even better. Thank you very much.